Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when you see on your iPhone no service, so how you can fix it. So mostly it happens because you have problems with your operator, so you can also just try to put off your SIM card and put inside again. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to, the simplest way to restore your network is just airplane mode, turn on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just go to cellular data or mobile data and try to use open mobile data options. Turn off here if you turn on low data mode, and also you can try to open voice and data and just try to change from LTE to 3G. So sometimes it also helps, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try it to make force restart on your phone, so it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made force restart. So after you need to see Apple logo and your system will load, and I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.